Hey everybody, it's me, Gregor Manarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, November 28th, 2017. People, the rigging of this market literally has no bounds. Allow me to elaborate on that just a little bit now. It's just incredible. This morning, just like I said would likely happen in the video that I did last night after the market, bond buying right at the open once again. Not only that, what else is occurring here? Okay, all of the major stock market indices are higher. As a matter of fact, we have new records here. Should not be a surprise to any of you who are watching this video blog, but where is the kicker to this entire thing? The small caps. Of all the major indices, they're all higher right now. The small cap index, IWM, on a percentage basis is up the highest. Now, I know for a fact that this is not a surprise to not one single, any of you that follow this blog, because I've outlined for you exactly how they rigged this market. And here you can see this in real time because they're doing it. They're propping up the bond market and they're buying up the small caps. That's what they always do first. You know, I sit here and I watch how they do this. I feel like I'm literally looking at their game plan. I know exactly what they're going to do and when they're going to do it. And I have outlined this for every single one of you. This is like the secret sauce for you and me, honestly, because we already understand exactly how they're going to play everything. So that means that you and I, frankly, are going to turn the tables on them and not just rip their face off beyond recognition, but we are going to seriously enrich ourselves beyond belief. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, what I am doing, and what I want you to do as well. Well, all these other people out there are trying to guess at what the stock market is going to do, trying to guess at what they're going to do with the bond market or which index they're going to hit. You and I know exactly what they're going to do. It's incredible. And they do this over and over again. Now that you know the secret, well, good. I'm glad that you're aware of this. But just again, just watching this unfold, I find extremely disturbing. In fact, worse than that. It troubles me to the core of my being to have a realization and proof right in front of our face of the rigging that is going on here. Let me ask you, in this environment, and I've covered this before, what entity would be buying bonds here in an environment where we have a yield curve that is flattening out, a Federal Reserve that is going to raise rates come next month? Mark my words on this. I know there's a lot of people that don't believe that. I've only been wrong once about the Fed in all of the years that the Fed has been talking about what they're going to do. I've been wrong one time. So if you want to go against me, do that at your own peril. Honestly, my record is second to none. I don't know another guy out here that has called the Fed more accurately than me. Not one. And they're going to raise rates next month. They have no choice, in my opinion. They have got to keep the illusion real. The illusion that we're in some type of incredible economic recovery. In fact, it's so good that our stock market keeps hitting record after record after record after record. It's just too much, people. But seriously, I can't explain to you how it bothers me to be able to recognize what's going on here. I'm capitalizing on it, no doubt about it. But the fact that I can see this, and so can you, has got to bother you a little bit. We do not have a free market. It is being managed like nothing we have ever seen before in financial history. It's just crazy. I don't know what else to say here. Anyway, have a look once again, and I hope you're following this, because it's all free for you. It's all set up for free. Every single thing is free on my website, traderschoice.net. Look at that bond market chart. You will notice yesterday at the end of the trading day, like I said, bonds started to sell off. And then I told you yesterday, I said, watch what they're going to do in the morning. Watch the video that I did yesterday, last night. You're going to be blown away. And I said, watch what they're going to do. Bam! That's what they did this morning. Buying bonds again. Now they're buying those small caps, propping up the market. And it's working. We got new records here. But on a percentage basis, at least as I am doing this video blog, this is what they do. They buy up those small caps. So the small cap index is up the highest of all the major indices on a percentage basis. I mean, really, it's just right in our faces, people. All right, look, I'm going to let you all go. Keep your eye on that bond market. Keep your eye on the small cap index. Again, on my website, just underneath the bond market chart, there is another chart that I set up for you where you can change the ticker. Put IWM in there, and you can keep your eye on the small caps as well. Oh, Lord, I tell you, this makes me sick. It really does. It's like it really is a double-edged sword for me. You know, yeah, sure, I'm ripping the face off of this, no doubt about it. But at the same time, to see this, to see what they're doing, it bothers me to know what they're going to do before they do it. I hate it. I wish I didn't know it. It just gets into my head. It's just so obvious and so blatantly in our face. They just throw it in our face. And then you've got these people, here we go, yeah, oh boy, am I in trouble, on CNBC talking about how everything is real. Oh, yeah, you know, Bitcoin is in a bubble, but the stock market, oh yeah, that's real, and it's fairly priced. Wow. All right, with that said, I think my dogs are barking. I don't know. Anyway, I cannot wait to do the video at the end of the day once again. This has become kind of a thing for me. I just can't believe what I'm seeing anymore. It's just too much. All right, with that said, I'll see you after the market close, and I'm going to outline all this for you. And I think we're going to both laugh and cry at the same time. All right, over and out.